For this first exam prep, you're going to listen to the following 3 introductions of songs that we have worked on. And then in these boxes, you are going to type in the title of the song that you think it is based on what you hear. Mrs. Churchill is not going to play your part. She's going to play her part in the introduction for these songs. And then you will make an assumption or make a choice as to what song you think is being played. Here is song number 1. Here's the introduction to song number 2. And here's the introduction to song number 3. Now keep in mind, these songs have all been worked on since the beginning of the school year. So not every song that you hear is going to be a song that you are working on currently. We have worked on all of the songs that you heard. So you are going to type the name of each song based on what you heard in the box. This is called exam prep because this is what you can expect on your final exam. Your final exam is going to be a listening exam with introductions and portions of the pieces for you.